Hey, Mr. Zhang, it's Watson here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Wanted to give you a nice close look at this 2022 GLE 350. Fantastic. So this is a vehicle that we did have in the loaner service, so it has a few miles, but it's being sold and can be leased as a brand new car. We could also sell it as a certified car and extend your warranty. It's up to you. This is produced in Mojave Silver Metallic. It's a classic color. Now you'll notice those painted trim pieces around the wheels. That means this has the AMG line package, which really gives it a nice look, color coded there. That's also going to include the AMG floor mats as well. So really nice looking package. This vehicle was also ordered with the panoramic roof. When we come around to the back door, we can see your storage space. Quite a nice amount of cubic storage. Very easy to load in, very accessible, and of course the seats fold down and a lickety split. Everything, of course, you can also operate with your remote control. So let's take a look at the interiors. So here is your dark interior. Now keep in mind this is ordered with the AMG black microfiber material. Very nice. Holds you into your seat very nicely when you're going around corners and so forth. You've got your dual 12-inch screens up front, backup camera system, navigation, all your controls on the steering wheel. Of course, your beautiful ambient light that runs through the vehicle. And because it has the darker interior, it's really nice to have the oversized panoramic roof to really open it up for you. So this is a lightly equipped but extremely nice 2022 GLE 350. Please give me a call, Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. I'd be happy to help you out.